Ever deployed a chatbot that crumbles under real world queries? You know the pain of stale knowledge bases, context loss, and those cringe moments when your AI spits out confident nonsense. Building Conversational RAG arms you with battle tested tools, hybrid retrieval models for unstructured PDFs, HTML, LLM prompt chaining with attention masking, face, pinecone vector database integration, and latency optimized pipelines using Redis caching. Whether you're an AI engineer drowning in unstructured data, an ML practitioner battling hallucinations, or an NLP specialist craving context aware systems, this is your cheat code. Stop building chatbots that guess, start building ones that know. Here's what's inside the Building Conversational RAG skill. You'll master hybrid retrieval, combining BM25 and dense vector search for unstructured data, implement LLM prompt engineering with dynamic context window management, and deploy Weaviate vector databases for real-time similarity search. The course walks you through building retrieval augmented chains with langchain.js, optimizing response latency under 200 milliseconds using Redis caching, and training custom re-rankers with BERT-based models. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a skill, it's your AI's knowledge upgrade. Installing the Building Conversational RAG skill takes one command. In PX, quanta-skills add Building Conversational RAG. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance on hybrid retrieval architectures, prompt engineering templates for context retention, and production grade vector database configurations. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to chain retrievers with LLMs, optimize FIs indexes, and debug knowledge gaps. Warning: may cause chatbots to start fact-checking your code comments. Transform guesswork into grounded responses in seconds.